for me to come. Hard times, gonna make you wonder why you even try. Hard times, gonna take you down and laugh when you cry. These lives, and I still don't know how I even survive. Hard times, hard times.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this glam look right here. I kind of just like played around with some colors and some stuff. I used this Colourpop palette only to create this look right here. This is the Yes Please palette, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at those colors. So I used a lot of the shades in here. This is just calling my name. I do a lot of warm tone, you know, looks on my channel. So yeah, I absolutely love this. So that's the only palette I used today in today's look. You can use any eyeshadow palette, you know. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with priming the lids with my Morphe eyelid primer in translucent. I've actually been really enjoying this primer. It makes my eyeshadow just like glide on. For today's eye look, I'm going to be going in with the Yes Please palette by Colourpop. This just screams my name. Okay, you see that? It just screams my name. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I just love all these colors, and I'm kind of just going to throw something together. I don't even know what I want to do yet, so yeah. But I'm going to take this color right here and just set that primer down. For my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this color, which is called, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm just like confused. I think it's called Champs. I don't know. And I'm going to apply that. There is a little bit of kickback on the palette when you dab your brush into it. But you can just, you know, dust it away. So I'm going to apply that as a transition shade. I'm going to bring it kind of high, kind of to the brow bone. In with Chauffeur right here on that same fluffy brush, and this is a Morphe E27, and bring it just a little bit lower and not bring it up so high. Just keep it right in that transition crease area. And I'm gonna also like diffuse it out. My camera always picks up these like orangey brown shades, like super orange on camera, and I don't know why it does that. And I've tried playing around with just like the saturation and the color and stuff, but it just doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna go in with this, and this is called Louis right there. And I'm gonna focus this shade on the outer V area. A Morphe M433, and I think I'm gonna darken the look up a bit with this dark brown right here, and this is called So I don't know if it's like, if I'm looking at it, like which shades are what, or if it's like goes down the line, you know? But anyways, this is Mischief. Or Mischief. Whatever. Ooh, that is pigmented. Look at that fallout. I don't know if you guys can see it, but definitely tap off that brush. And I'm just going to pack that on to the outer corner area. And I'm going to take our transition brush again, and I'm going to take that transition shade, which is Champs, and I'm going to blend that edge out so everything's nice and seamless. There we go. Now she's working with us. Okay, so that's all blended, and now I think I'm gonna do kind of a cut crease and add a little bit of shimmer. So I'm taking this really small detailed definer brush, and I'm gonna go in with some concealer. And I'm really gonna carve out the crease, or the lid. Now what I'm going to do is take another flat definer brush, and I'm going to take this one. This one's a Morphe M124. And let's spray my brush with some setting spray. I need more of this. I'm going to stick to gold, I think, so I'm going to take this color, which is Spoiled, right? Or it's called Butter Cake. I don't know what the whole name situation, how that works. And I'm just gonna pack this on right over that concealer. So now we're going to go back in with the Morphe M433 with that dark brown, and I'm actually going to mix this color again in the dark brown and just blend these edges together. I'm going to take a Morphe B81 brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's right next to the transition shade that we used. That one has a lot of kickback. Wow. And I'm going to apply that into the crease really lightly, just to blend the edges and add a little bit of a warmth. Then I'm just taking the big brush and just blending everything together. And I'm actually going to go over the shimmer shade, quite frankly. And I'm going to add this really nice like orangey color, kind of just like to the center a bit. Never used this color. Actually, maybe I have. And I'm just going to apply it right over here. And just blend the edges with that dark brown color one more time. Okay, so I just applied some false lashes off camera, and I kind of added a little bit of black eyeshadow just to create a like eyeliner effect. And yeah, so that's basically what it looks like right now. I had a little trouble with the eyelashes. I'm wearing Cosmic Lashes Angelica today. Anyways, let's move on to the face because I'm kind of just like over the eyes because the eyelashes really messed me up. I just need to move on. I'm gonna use the Maybelline 24-Hour Stay, but before that, let's prime the face. And I'm gonna go in, where is it? With my Fenty primer. Oh, and I did my brows already, by the way. Forgot to say that. Which I always do my brows last, but I always find they get like foundation in them and they don't turn out as good. So yeah, and I added a little bit of brow bone highlight. Go in with the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. This is the Superstay. And did I upload the video where, yes, there's a video already using this and I really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna use it again. But I think I'm gonna put it on my face first and then blend it out instead of on my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna like paint it basically on my face. I don't know how much I want. So I'm just gonna do that for now. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my sponge. I go in with my Urban Decay Naked Concealer in light just to lighten up the eye area. I never wear this much makeup ever. I literally only do it for videos. I hate wearing a ton of makeup. I just feel like it breaks me out, you know, you feel? Let's move on to powder. I've been loving the LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana Yellow. I've literally been loving it. And I love it to just brighten up the eye area. And I'm not baking today. That was like a one-time thing, okay? Don't hate me. And I'm just gonna press it in to the skin. And then I'm just gonna go in with this big fluffy brush and just like kind of pat over the whole face. To contouring, I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. You guys already know. And actually, you probably don't because I hardly ever talk about it. And we're just going to contour the nose a little bit. I'm going to go in with my Morphe brontour and just mix. This is in Celebutante, and just mix them all together. Mix those two shades and warm up the skin. I'm going to actually move on to the lower lash line before moving on to blush and all that good stuff. And my filming station is a mess right now. I can't find anything. It's like filled with makeup. I need to get that checked out. For blush, I'm going to go in with my Satin Touch Blush by Essence in the shade 20 Satin Love in the top broke. And I've used this a few times on my channel. I love it. And it's a really nice, just like nude blush. Goes with any look. Go in with a gold highlight today because we kind of have gold on the lip, or on the eyes, lips, what? On the eyes. And we are going to be using the Master Chrome highlight by Maybelline in Molten Gold. You guys know I've used this a few times. I absolutely love it. Let's spray the brush to get that intense, nice highlight. And I'm literally just tapping into it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I love this highlight. Just set my face real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the lips, and then we'll be done. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suits, one in Nudie Patootie and Rebel Rose. I'm going to mix them because this one's a little bit too light for me, I feel like. So, yeah, and this one's a little bit more on the, you know, rosy side, but I'm going to mix them. I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss to the center just to give it a little, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss in the shade Coral Sands. And just like right here. So that completes this makeup tutorial on this like full beat glam face. I absolutely love how it turned out with like the cut crease and all the colors and the lips and stuff. I'm honestly really impressed with myself. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions you want me to do, because I'm always looking for new stuff to do for you guys. Anything that's like helpful or whatever. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.